Hello, beautiful souls. Welcome back. Welcome to these energy check-in journal prompts to restore your mind and body. So today, we're taking a moment to pause in our busy lives and just check in with our energy. Safe space for you to slow down, for you to breathe and just gently explore how you're feeling physically, emotionally, and spiritually. So, how does your energy feel right now, both in your body and your mind? Just notice, and we will be reflecting on these areas of life where you might be feeling sort of drained, have a really happy heart right now. We're going to be kind with ourselves, and this is just simply a moment of awareness. Grab your journal whenever you're ready, take a few deep breaths, and allow yourself to be honest and kind with whatever comes up. There's no right or wrong way here to do any of this, just a quiet moment to honour yourself. So let's begin. First question is, what situations, habits, or thoughts quietly take energy from me? So in this particular one, I want you to think about the small, sort of often unnoticed things that might make you feel a bit drained. Negative self-talk, or could be distractions, could be other people. So I'm going to let you think about that for a minute. Remember, let your words come naturally without any overthinking. So our second question is, when do I feel most like myself? Calm, open, alive? Here, I'd like you to recall moments or activities or people that refill your energy, people or situations that make you feel vibrant and centered. Think about those moments. A third one is, what helps me feel restored, even in small ways? So here, just think about simple actions, things that you do that help you come back to yourself, come back to your energy. It could be a walk, a cup of tea, a quiet moment that just bring you back to balance. So even if it seems small or ordinary, each insight is important. number 4. How do I usually know when I need rest? We're so often and so good at overexerting ourselves and not really noticing or listening to our bodies when they are giving us signals to rest. So I'd like you to think about your own signals, and let's think about how we can recognize them early. Lastly, what would it look like to protect my energy more gently this week? So for this week coming, I'd like you to imagine realistic, nurturing ways that you could protect your energy. That often means setting boundaries, maybe something very small, but maybe something that's needed. So it's also scheduling moments of calm. I will let you think about it. Remember to write freely, no judgment, let your ideas unfold, and please don't worry about structure or order. Let's set an intention for next week, an intention that you would like to carry out for the whole week. So let's take a final deep breath in and slowly exhale. Notice how our energy feels compared to when we began. Honor whatever surfaced for you during your reflections, whether it was moments of vitality, fatigue, gentle reminders, whatever it is that came up for you. And as you move through the next week, carry forward these practices, and thank you for giving yourself this pause. And I hope that your days ahead are filled with calm, restored energy and gentle self-care. If you'd like to support this reflection, tomorrow I will be sharing a meditation all about restoring your energy. Beautiful souls, thank you so much for spending this time with me.